Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 CLA 250 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one does come with front and rear LED daytime running lights, 18-inch multi-spoke wheels. The tires are in good condition. A black MB-Tex interior, panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got a rear spoiler, CLA 250 4MATIC badging. Open up the tailgate, we got a clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats. Come alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls. This one also does come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. A push start ignition. Rear view backup camera. A black wood trim. Hard keys for a media display. Heated seats. Dual climate controls. This CLA 250 has 17,300 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the CLA 250, check out feldmanimports.com.